Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Now we draw B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw D. D for dove. The next one is E. E for eagle. And the next one is F. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now we draw G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. K for kite. Now we draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. Now we draw the letter of N. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now we draw O. O for octopus. And the next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Now we draw S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger, T for teacher. Now we draw the letter of U. The next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is W. W for wolf. And now we draw X. X for Xmas tree. And now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.